Dear students, welcome to our new class. We are continuing our chapter 4, Birds, Part 2. In this section, we are going to study about different body parts of a bird. First one, feathers. Feathers. Feathers are an important part of a bird's body. They help the bird to fly, keep the body warm and give it shape. Birds have three types of feathers: flight feathers, down feathers and body feathers. First one, flight feathers. Flight feathers are large in size. These feathers are found in the tail and wings. They help birds to lift themselves and provide balance for flight. Next one, down feathers. Down feathers grow close to the skin and keep the bird warm. These are short, soft and fluffy. A newborn bird has a lot of down feathers. Third one, body feathers. Body feathers round out the streamlined body of the bird. They give shape to the bird's body. Different birds have different feathers of different colors. Here you can see three types of feathers. First one, flight feathers are large in size. It helps birds to lift themselves and provide balance for flight. Next one, down feathers. These are short, soft and fluffy. Third one, body feathers. Body feathers give shape to the bird's body. One of the important body part of a bird is beak. Birds do not have teeth. They have beaks that help them catch their food and eat it. Different birds have different kinds of beaks. The shape of a bird's beak depends on the kind of food it eats. Different birds have different kinds of beaks. They are short and hard beak, curved beak, strong, sharp and hooked beak, strong chisel-shaped beak, spoon-shaped beak, broad and flat beak. Short and hard beak. Birds such as sparrows, pigeons and peacocks have short, hard beaks to crack open seeds and grains. Curved beak. A parrot has a curved beak that helps it to crack nuts and hard fruits. Strong, sharp and hooked beak. Carnivorous birds such as eagles, vultures and kites have strong, sharp and hooked beaks. The beak helps them tear the flesh of their prey. Example, mice and squirrels. These birds are called birds of prey. Strong, chisel-shaped beak. Chisel-shaped means sharp and pointed. A woodpecker has a strong chisel-shaped beak. It helps it to drill holes in wood and pull out insects. Spoon-shaped beak. A spoonbill has a spoon-shaped beak. It is used to gather tadpoles and small water animals from pond water. Broad and flat beak. A duck has a broad, flat beak with holes on the sides. It takes in muddy water with worms, insects and small plants. Muddy water flows out through the holes, leaving the worms, insects and plants inside.